Welcome back to Neighbors. Today we'll be doing the unboxing and hands-on for the ASUS ZenFone 5 ZS620KL. So let's just start there. So we got the free tool. There's a free case. There's the phone. Got the black one. And let's see. Okay, so there's the charger. With the attachment, earbuds, headset, and USB Type-C cable. Priced at a value-busting RM1899, the ASUS ZenFone 5 ZS620KL is currently the most affordable Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset-equipped smartphone in Malaysia. Offering 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, there's currently no other smartphone brand that has that same amount of memory for that price. It also helps that there is an 8GB RAM and 256GB storage version coming soon for just RM2299. Again, there are currently no other smartphones that offer this amount of memory for this price. So, the ASUS ZenFone 5 Z is currently Malaysia's most affordable flagship killer smartphone. However, it brings nothing new to the table in terms of design, as it looks exactly like the previous ASUS ZenFone 5 ZE620KL. This isn't a bad thing though, as the flat Zen concentric circle pattern back is just as eye-catching as before, and you get the same tech specs of a 6.2-inch notched Full HD Plus full view display, 8-megapixel front camera, and 12-megapixel dual pixel plus 8-megapixel wide-angle dual rear cameras. You can still unlock the phone with a fingerprint sensor, or you can use face unlock as well. Multimedia playback is just as loud and clear as before, while the notch disappears in landscape mode. Thanks to the Snapdragon 845 and 6GB of RAM, gaming is smooth and detailed even on higher-end HD settings PUBG Mobile. While the cameras are technically the same, our review unit was missing the panorama and selfie panorama features, but the cameras still offer all of the usual options like up to 4K video recording for the dual rear cameras. We expect these features to arrive with further updates. The cameras are also still AI-driven, automatically applying settings when you point it at the object, in this case, food, resulting in some fairly good point-and-shoot photos. You can see some of our camera samples here. Going for RM1899 for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage version, and RM2299 for the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage version, the ASUS ZenFone 5 Z offers an unbeatable price-to-performance ratio, especially if you're a mobile gamer on a budget. Stay tuned to the full review at technave.com, and thank you very much for watching.